Hey, so if you're having a Typeform publish problem, yeah, like your form won't publish, changes don't go live, or the publish button is stuck, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure all your changes are actually saved. I mean, sometimes Typeform won't publish if there are unfinished edits or missing required fields. Next, check for any error messages in your form. Yeah, missing required questions, broken logic, or invalid fields can stop publishing. Now, just refresh the page. I mean, sometimes the publish button gets stuck due to a temporary glitch. Yeah, make sure your internet is stable. If your connection is weak, the publish request might fail. If you're using extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools, they might block Typeform from publishing correctly. Try disabling them. Next, open Typeform in incognito mode. Yeah, this helps you check if the issue is caused by cache or extensions. Now, make sure your account hasn't hit any limits. Some Typeform plans can restrict publishing features if limits are reached. If nothing works, yeah, try duplicating the form. Sometimes a fresh copy fixes hidden issues, stopping the publish process. So yeah, that's how you fix Typeform publish problems step by step. Usually it's errors, cache, or browser issues causing it. Try these steps and your form should publish without issues. Thanks for watching. Hey, so if your Typeform